Go. Dengue. What is dengue fever? Dengue fever, or also known as breakbone fever, is an infectious tropical disease caused by dengue virus. It is transmitted by several species of mosquito known as Aedes aegypti. Research shows that the incidence of dengue fever has increased dramatically since the 1960s, with around 50 to 100 million people infected yearly. Early descriptions of the condition dated from 1779, and its viral cause and the transmission were elucidated in the early 20th century. Dengue cases has become a worldwide problem since Second World War and is endemic in more than 110 centuries. Western Visayas dengue cases were up to 163%. Regional Epidemiology and Surveillance Unit recorded 2,064 dengue cases from January 1 to August 4, 2011. The figures, which include 29 deaths, are 163% higher compared to the same period last year. Last year, the recorded only 776 cases of dengue from the entire region, including 9 deaths. Negros Occidental and Iloilo are the provinces with the highest number of cases at 507 and 508 respectively. Dengue cases were clustered in the cities of Bacolod, Sagay, and Victorias, and in Hinubaan town in Negros Occidental. In Iloilo, they are noted a cluster on Oton and Pevia towns. The resto considered Bacolod City, which had 595 dengue cases and 5 deaths, a hotspot because of the increase in the number of cases for 2 consecutive weeks.
Mosquitoes go through 4 stages of development in their lives. They undergo complete metamorphosis. Culex mosquitoes lay their eggs on the surface of fresh water, or in areas that will be temporarily wet, like floodplains. The eggs float alone, or in groups that look like rafts. Eggs laid during winter can survive to hatch in the spring. Mosquito eggs hatch into larvae. The larvae live at the surface of the water and breathe through a tube. As the larvae grow, they shed their skin a few times. If mosquito larvae need to hide from predators, they can swim and dive below the water's surface. Mosquito larvae live a few days to a few weeks before they turn into pupae. They stop feeding just before they turn into pupae. The pupae live at the water's surface and breathe through 2 small tubes. Mosquito pupae do not eat, but they are active. They tumble below the surface of the water when disturbed. They remain in the pupal stage anywhere from 1 to a few days, depending on the water temperature. While inside the pupa, the larva transforms into an adult. The adult breaks out of the pupal case and crawls onto the surface of the water. It rests while its exoskeleton hardens. Later, it crawls to a safe place out of the water and spreads its wings out to dry, to prepare for life on land. The mosquito is now a flying land insect. Adult mosquitoes mate to produce eggs for the next generation. Adult female mosquitoes can live from many days to weeks, while adult male mosquitoes usually live just a few days after they mate.
Do you have any dengue cases here in the hospital?
As all this month, wala kami dengue case, no, sa hospital kay it is already mga patient kag mga folks well educated regarding sa dengue, no? So no more dengue pasyente.
Biyernes, Sabado, Domingo, Lunes, Martes, Miyerkules, ano pa siya? Miyerkules, Lunes, Kapitol, Kadlaw, Biyernes mo umpisa.
Biyernes o umpisa? Ti, ano ba yung Biyernes, tiyapon? Ano color kang tae mo?
Okay lang man.
Okay lang man? Ti, ano ba yung nabatsagan mo sa mga lawas mo din ang gapan na rakit? Or katal?